Thinking our business finances are on track, yet really not like knowing the truth is an easy trap to fall into until it's too late. So I want to show you how I use Asana and Google Sheets to stay organized with financial management and how these two tools can help you to stop leaking money in your business. Let's dive into my financial system that's not just about tracking your dollars, but optimizing your entire financial strategy using Asana and Google Sheets. So let's get your money actually working as hard as you do, okay? So managing finances can be daunting. I totally get it. But with the right tools, it really can be easy, okay? Today, I'll show you how, and no worries, this training is without all the tax jargon overload. I am not an accountant, I'm not a financial planner, so this is just like plain talk, okay? First, let's talk about Asana setup. Task scheduling. I use Asana to set reminders for quarterly financial reviews, okay? This ensures that I never miss important financial tasks. Everything needs to be listed. Links to financial templates, direct links, and Asana tasks lead me to specific goal sheets where I manage all the detailed records. And part of keeping your finances in check involves managing those recurring costs that I'm sure you are aware of. These can add up quickly. So you've got to have a place where those are and where they show up. And then during the quarterly reviews in Asana, I make sure that I review subscriptions. Okay. I go through all my business subscriptions. Every expense is listed on a Google Sheet template and noted if it's a membership, subscription, a one-time expense, whether it's monthly, annually, all those things. This way, I can decide if each one is really still necessary and if it's cost effective. Now, upcoming renewals, those are listed. I set alerts for upcoming renewals in Asana, all right? So I know it's going to be renewed. This gives me the chance to assess the value that these services bring to my business and ample time to decide whether to continue, cancel, or negotiate better terms. Keeping this in Asana alongside my financial tracking in Google Sheets, this ensures nothing slips through the cracks, okay? Google Sheets for financial management, I can't tell you how great this is. I've got income and expense trackers. As I mentioned earlier, when I was talking about the subscriptions, I track all my transactions in my income and expense tracker. This is a sheet. And so this is like to see the real-time financial health of my business, okay? Then there's a sales tracker. This helps me monitor sales and trends and project future revenue, especially as the years add up. Then profit prediction model. I have a designated spreadsheet where I make adjustments to my monthly expenses as needed, and then review against revenue goals to forecast profits in the future. Okay. Other tools that I have found very helpful is like Quicken. For every transaction that goes on in my dedicated business checking account, that's all in Quicken. Then speaking of dedicated accounts, I want to stress the importance of having not only a dedicated checking account, yes, but also a designated credit card for your business. Even multiple accounts can be good if you want to spread out, like for taxes and things like that. Then one thing I want to mention before I forget, my rolling quarters calendar. I created an online template that I use, and I actually made a copy for you. You can grab it for free at kathyschneider.com/rolling-quarters. I'll drop that link below. And remember, while I'm savvy with organizing finances, I am not a tax professional, okay? Always consult with an accountant for specific tax advice. Then inside my $7 membership, Vision Mastery Accelerator, I actually walk you through how to set up the foundational systems in both Asana and Google Drive. So if you need help with that, there's that plus a whole lot more. You can learn more about my membership at kathyschneider.com/VMA. I'll drop the link below. And then effectively managing your finances using Asana for all the task management, and then of course Google Sheets for all the financial tracking. That's removed the stress from my business when it comes to money. And I know it'll do the same for you, okay? Then by systemizing your financial checks and balances, you can prevent losses and you can maximize profitability, ensuring your business not only thrives, but it does so financially, okay? And then by integrating subscription reviews and then the renewal checks into your quarterly financial health, all that stuff, you'll not only streamline your expenses, but you're also going to prevent any wasteful spending. Because, it's all about making smart financial decisions that align with your business goals. And you don't want this to take a ton of time. So adopting these tools will not only save you money, but it's going to save you time, which allows you to focus more on growing your business rather than just managing and maintaining it, okay? So I strongly want to encourage you to implement these strategies if you want to replace financial chaos, all right, with financial control. Now, the next video in this quarterly strategies for solopreneur series is popping up on your screen right now. And in this next video, I'll help you with a quarterly check-in with your marketing strategies, okay? So I want you to click the video that's popping up in the corner, and I'll see you there.